Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today let's make SEV at home. SEV is a namkeen, crispy, salty snack that is used in making chaats and most of the namkeens in Indian cuisine. It is very easy to make and takes very little time to make. But before that, please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. And please share this video with your friends. To make SEV, I have taken a bowl, and into a bowl I have taken 1 cup of chickpea flour. To that I am adding half teaspoon of Hing or Asafoetida. Add salt as per taste. I am adding half teaspoon of salt. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and give this a good mix. You can add chili powder if you want to make tikka SEV. After mixing all the dry ingredients, I am adding approximately 1 tablespoon of refined oil. You can use desi ghee too. Mix everything well, add in water little by little and make a stiff dough out of this mixture. I have used approximately 1/4 cup of water to make the dough. Now knead the dough well. You need not knead the dough for a long time, just knead it for a minute. Now I have taken my snack maker. Open the snack maker and grease it well with oil. I have taken small holes plate to make fine SEV. Fit the plate to the well of the snack maker. Grease the plate well too. Now add in the log of prepared dough mixture. Grease the snack maker's top part and fix the snack maker. Keep this aside. Heat some oil in a pan for deep frying. When the oil is very hot, simply pipe in the dough like I am showing you. This doesn't take a lot of time to fry. Just fry this on medium flame for 2 minutes from one side and carefully flip the SEV to the other side and cook it from the other side for 1 minute on a medium flame. After 1 minute, when you stop seeing the bubbles, take out the SEV from the oil and strain the excess oil on a tissue paper or simply on a strainer. Make SEV from the remaining dough in the same way. Fry it from one side for 2 minutes. Flip and fry on the other side for a minute. Take out of the oil and strain away the excess oil. That's it. Very easy and very tasty SEV is ready. Crush this SEV with your hands lightly and use it in your favorite dishes. Definitely try this one. And please share the picture of your creation on Taste with Twist Facebook page. I'll link it in the description box down below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.